Welcome to the GenAI Basics Workshop. This workshop is divided into 6 sections and has 6 quizzes. The first 5 sections can be attempted twice, and you must pass with a score of 80% or higher. The final section is a knowledge check and can be attempted only once. When you score 80% or higher, the next section will open. Sections will not open until you have a score of 80% or higher. And now let's talk generative AI, also known as GenAI. It should be noted that there is a difference between GenAI and traditional AI. According to the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, quote, "The core distinction between traditional and generative AI lies in their functionality. Traditional AI is reactive, focused on processing and analyzing data to provide predictions or insights. In contrast, generative AI is proactive, capable of creating something new using learned data patterns. While traditional AI excels in optimizing efficiency and accuracy in well-defined tasks, generative AI drives creative processes, making it a vital tool for fields where innovation is key." End quote. We all love the idea of having a tool that can help us with assignments. Saving time and energy is a boon to busy college students, and GenAI is one way to do this. However, we need to have a basic understanding of GenAI and its pros and cons. After this overview, we'll spend some time on each of the following concepts: understanding what GenAI is, using it responsibly, understanding the connection between GenAI and learning, and creative effective prompts when appropriate. At the end, you will have a knowledge check. These sections support the learning objectives for this workshop. Recognize the characteristics of GenAI. Evaluate when GenAI use is appropriate. FYI, at FC, it's only appropriate if your instructor allows it. Next, identify the benefits and pitfalls of using GenAI. And finally, construct effective prompts in GenAI using best practices. Through it all, you'll hear that each instructor will include an AI policy in the syllabus and/or assignment instructions, and that you must follow that policy to avoid any issues with academic integrity. Policies can be on a continuum from absolutely no GenAI to use GenAI on specific assignments to use GenAI for everything. It is extremely important that you as a student read the syllabus carefully, as well as the instructions for each assignment to see to what extent, if any, you can use GenAI. Your grade depends upon it. Now that you have an idea of how the workshop is organized, let's answer some questions to check your knowledge. To answer the first question, select Next.